Hi YouTube, and welcome to another video. You know how we do it here. We get to the word of the Lord and then we come to show you our projects. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up on this video. Like it, leave a comment, subscribe. If you're not a subscriber, come back. So today our scripture reference, I left my phone in the room, so I'm just going to have to go off the dome. We're going to go with Proverbs chapter 3 verses 5 and 6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and lean not into your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge him, and he shall direct your path. That's Proverbs chapter 3 verses 5 and 6, I'm pretty sure. But today I just came to show you, I ended up getting another one of my cousin's books. Go out on Amazon, order Dr. Addie Ellis's book, Black Butterfly, Volume 1, a bunch of essays. She's a professor, she's a PhD, she's has a doctorate. So go out and get Addie's book. She's going to sign these two books for me tomorrow. One is I'm keeping for myself, the other one I'm going to bless someone else with. And I'm going to try to find a butterfly like this, and I'm going to make her some earrings, some black butterfly earrings that she can wear when she does her book signings. But I have that, and I also told you guys that I was going to show you the paint and sip that I was doing for my sister's birthday party. So here are some of the I got like several sets of paintbrushes that we're going to use for the paint and sip. These are just paintbrushes I got from the Dollar Tree. And then these are some Dollar Tree towels, the microfiber towels that you would get 4 or 5 for $1. And I just I put the little image in color so people can see what it's supposed to look like. And I just pressed that on. So I made several of these. These are so they will know what the picture looks like and what they're painting. And then they can deviate from these colors if they choose. But also this is like for them to wipe their brushes on, and it's like a little souvenir for them to take away. They can keep the towel when they're done. And then here are the canvases that I made. Uh-oh, sorry. Oopsie, had a oopsie there. These are the canvases that I made. And so I had some 8 by 10s. I thought they were 8.5 by 11, but they were only 8 by 10. So I had to take them back because they were just too small. So I went and got these 11 by 14 canvases. So I made and these are Dollar Tree canvases too, and some of them don't come out so well, so like it chipped off right there, so I'll probably keep this one for myself. But they're all the same, and so that I would get the most out of my paper, I broke up the image. That's why, like, you know, they're not the same. Like right here, it's like in the middle. This one is a little bit more down, so that I can get the most out of my sublimation paper. So that's what the canvases look like. And then that's what the little towels look like. And then we have our brushes. And then also for, here's the paint. Let's see, I don't want to tilt it too much. Did I bring an empty one? These are little containers that I ended up getting from the Dollar Tree. And then I put some paint in them. And then I stopped putting the paint in them because it's like, why put the paint in all of them? We can just use them. I can just put paint in them when we get to the event. And that way, if they get tilted or whatever, I don't have to worry about paint spilling out. I don't have to worry about taping it up or anything like this. If I was selling these, I would probably get something online. I wouldn't use this if I was going to sell these paint and sip canvases, which I will sell some. I do sell them, I mean, but I don't put them in this kind of container. Usually when I sell them, what I've done so far is just gave the person bottles of paint, and then they can distribute as they like, and they get paper plates, and then they can put the paint on the paper plates. But I saw these at the Dollar Tree. I thought they were kind of cute, so I ended up getting these to and putting the different paints in them, the colors of the flag and the colors of the little army girl or army boy, whatever. I can't tell what it is. It's an army person, and she'll appreciate it because she loves the U.S. military. And then I also ended up getting some needles for my Addy. I see several people use these kind of needles. I think I've seen Koala Nix and Nax. I think that's her name. But she has these needles with the little rubber thing at the... And Juju uses them too. So that way you can stick your project in there. If you only have a little piece of yarn left over, you can stick it up through the holes. And I really like those. So I'm going to use these for my Addy, and I'll probably use it for my crochet as well. And then along with that came a bunch of other needles, and these are bent needles for taking stuff off the Addy machine. The needle is bent, so I like that too, because it will make it easier to lift off from the Addy. So I got those, and I got those off of Amazon. I also got some safety eyes, and these are to go with the book that I haven't gotten the book yet. But I don't think I really like these safety eyes. They look like they were cheaply mass-produced, and they don't really have the detail, because some of them are noses, but when I pulled out some of the noses, you can't really tell the detail in the noses. So I probably will just get some from Hobby Lobby or Joann's or something like that with a coupon or on sale, instead of, getting these cheaply made ones on Amazon. Or I might look for some on Etsy, because, just because you get a lot of them don't mean that they're good quality. And these don't look like they're good quality. But we'll see once I get my other book, and I'll show you that book once I get it. And then another thing I got off Amazon was I got these earring cards. And I saw Marcia. She goes on live with Sharika's Originals, Sherry Shine. And she has a laser, she has a Glowforge, and she has a group, Sharika's Originals, here on YouTube. She does a live every Tuesday, but I think she's not going to do it again until after the first of the year. But one of the ladies in her group showed that she got these earring cards from Amazon. So I thought they were really cute, and I wanted some. So I ordered these off of Amazon. And it came with like a little some packages, and I don't even know how many like earring packages are in here. And also it came with some little plastic backers. So I'll be using these to add my earrings on there. And then another thing that I saw on Sherry's channel, so I call the I call that a copycat. When I'm being a copycat, when I copy what somebody else has. So, excuse me, I gotta pick this up. I copied that from Marcia, the earring cards, because I seen her with that. So this is my copycat. Now, when I buy something that I see somebody else have that I want, I'm just going to call it my copycat. So this is my copycat earring cards. And then I also saw JC, and she's JC Chandler, I think, here on YouTube. My phone's in the room, so I can't look it up. I think she's JC Chandler here on YouTube. But she showed these mega beads and she got them. She saw somebody else having, so she was a copycat from somebody else's video, and I was a copycat from Marcia's video. So I ended up getting these beads. They're acrylic beads, and they came in this tub. Let's see, let me show you the tub first. They come in this tub, and these are some of the colors. And so I'll probably be making earrings and bracelets with them. But this is one of the sets of beads. Really pretty. Really, really cute. So, and because of where I'm sitting, I'm not going to take them out because that would just be too much. I'm not going to take them out the package. I'll just take them out the tub. And these ones were really pretty, I thought, too. Really cute. When I get my space back, my son is living here right now, but when I get my spaces back and all together, I might pull some of them out. But I like these sets too. It's like a peach. It's like peaches and crystal peach, like acrylic peach and then crystal peach. But I thought they were really, really pretty. And then here's a blue set. They even have like some little hearts in there. You can make some hearts earrings. And then, because all of the bags don't have the same types of beads, like this one has like this big long bead, but it doesn't look like this pack has. Well, it looks like it might have it in like a green looking color, but yeah. Look at this bead right here. This one with the gold specks on it, that's really pretty too. So I have these ones. And then we also have, ooh, these ones are pretty too. Some of these ones have like a little swirl on it. So this is the red set. And, uh-oh, they're busting out. These ones are busting out. These ones are like a clear set. So I don't know about if I'll use these silver looking ones, because I don't know if they'll tarnish or whatever. But I'll probably use the acrylic ones. I don't know if you can see those really, really good. Sorry, I can't take, well, let me see. These ones are already busting out, so I guess I can take these ones out. But these ones are some of the acrylic ones. Let's see. Yeah, these ones are kind of cute. So I'll use these ones. But yeah, these are really nice. Ooh, I like that one. It's like a bead. I like that. So I'll be using these to make some earrings with. And what else do I have? I think that's all that I have for you today. Thank you for joining me for another video. It's been a great year. Well, some aspects of it has been great. Some aspect of it has not been so great. But it has been a grateful year. So as we come to the end of this year, I just want to thank you guys for watching my videos. I just pray that 2024 will be better than 2023. I pray that you will be blessed in the new year. Tomorrow is going to be Christmas Day. Some celebrate, some do not. Whatever you do, you know, enjoy your day, because it's going to be a day that the Lord has made. So whatever you do, just rejoice and be glad in it. So I'm going to go and spend some time with my family. My sister's going to be here. She lives out of town. And we're going to be celebrating another born day for her. And so we're going to be grateful for that. We're going to eat some good food. I'm going to see a lot of family. And so that's what I'm going to be doing. But I hope that you guys have a blessed day as well, whatever you decide to do. And hopefully, I don't know if I'll be back by the end of the year, or maybe I'll just be back to say Happy New Year and just to let you know some of the things that I plan to do on my channel in 2024, because I'm going to be doing some more. I'm going to get my embroidery machine out. I want to make another Cricut quilt that I made, the crossword puzzle quilt. Oh, it's not in here. But I want to make some more of that. I want to start on my hats and scarves for 2024, the end of the year, the ones that I donate. to family and friends and to churches and stuff like that. I want to start on them, so I'm not waiting to the end of the year. This year, because my son is living with me, it's kind of threw off my whole vibe and my whole system of how I do things. So he'll be moving out hopefully in February, and then I'll have my whole house back to myself to do things the way I like to do them. So I'm looking forward to that. Looking forward to him starting his venture, starting a new venture for his life, so that he can go out and be prosperous and go out and serve the Lord and find his way. And then me and my husband, we will once again be empty nesters. We have children ranging in the age from 34 to 43, and we have 7 of them all together. We have 15 grandchildren, and we have 2 great grandbabies. And so I'm just looking forward to just another prosperous year in the Lord. And whether it be prosperous financially or whatever, it's still going to be prosperous every day that I wake up. And I hope that you feel the same. God bless you. Thank you for joining me. If you made it this far through the video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and put a red heart down there. I want to see who watches my videos all the way to the end. So go ahead and put a red heart down there, or a purple heart, or any color heart that your little heart desires, just to let me know that you watched this video all the way to the end. Thank you for joining me. God bless you. You have an awesome and an amazing day. Be blessed, my friends. Bye-bye.